Hi everybody, it's Miss Bloom. I'm going to show you how to play Suspend. So in our class, it's going to come in a box, and what you will do is get this piece. There are 4 metal pieces that you'll need, like this. So there's a hole here, and one on this side. Then you put it down. So now you can see like this. They go there. Then that other piece goes there. And then there's this piece right here that gets put there. And then you end up with that. And then you have the white piece right there. And that is how you set it up. Now, here is how you play. You can play with 2, 3, or 4 people. And when you do, you'll see that there are all these different pieces. Each person gets one of each color. So each person gets 1 orange, each person gets 1 green, 1 blue, 1 purple, 1 red, and each person gets 1 yellow. Okay. Now, after everyone has their whole thing set up, and each person has 1 piece, you'll need to start playing. Of course, just follow the jobs that it says. Do yellow, red, blue, green, yellow, red, blue, green, or whoever the starter is, just go in that order. And then you'll need to use this thing. It's a spinner. Now, yours might be a little bendy, so when you do spin, have someone help you by holding the corners here. I have big hands, so I can hold it and spin, but have someone help you by holding it, and then you spin. Okay. Now, when you spin, here are a few things that can happen. It can land on orange, red, green, or yellow. And if it lands on one of those, then you will put the orange piece if it lands on orange, red piece if it lands on red, blue if it lands on blue, purple, purple, green, green, yellow, yellow. Now, if you spin on a color and you don't have that color piece, then your turn's over and it goes to the next person. Okay. Now, the other thing that could happen is it could land on one of these kind of 4 special pieces. If it lands on 0, that means you put no pieces, all right, and your turn's over. If it lands on +1, that means you get to pick 1 piece to put on there, and then there you go. If it lands on the +2, you get to pick 2 pieces, any color you want, to add onto there. Now, if you get a -1, then what you have to do is you have to take a piece away from the creation. Okay, so there you go. And that is how you play. Okay, so I'm here playing with Sheldon Snail, and we are going to show you a sample game. I just taped it down so I wouldn't have to use 2 hands. I have 1 of each color piece, and Sheldon has 1 of each color piece, and now we're going to play. So I'll spin. It lands on blue, so then I have to, with only 1 hand, I have to put a blue piece on the creation. Okay. Then Sheldon spins, and it's a +2. Now Sheldon gets to put 2 pieces on the creation. So Sheldon, using 1 hand or 1 mouth, there's 1, and then there's a second piece using only 1 hand or 1 mouth. And here's the thing. Your goal is to get rid of all your pieces and have no more pieces left. The problem is, when you make pieces fall, you have to keep those pieces. So Sheldon has to keep those pieces. Sorry, Sheldon. And then it'll be Miss Bloom's turn again. And I got +1. I can pick any color I want. I'm going to put this one here. okay? And then it'll be Sheldon's turn. So again, everyone takes turn. Put the color down. If you spin it, if you don't have that color, your turn's over. +1 means you can put any color piece you want. +2 means you put any 2 pieces you want. -1 means you have to take a piece off and keep it. And 0 means your turn's over and it goes to the next person. And the winner is the person with no more pieces left. So thank you. Bye.